What's a JSMobile? Okay, JSMobile, it's a mobile application that supports Jira Service Management Portal side, the portal side of JSM, and brings almost all portal features to mobile. You know that Atlassian have a portal application where customers can raise requests, so support team or agents or any other parties from the operation team can respond from internal Jira side. So here with this mobile application, we supported the customer action where user can enter the portal and create a ticket and get needed support on the ticket itself. First, as in terms of features, the user can create a request through this mobile application. So first, he can select the portal that he need to enter the ticket in. He can select the request type related. For example, is it a technical support? Is it a question or report a bug or anything else? He will then enter the information related to the ticket through the create screen of the related portal view. And after that, the ticket will get created. He can view the details and the activities on this ticket. This is for the create part. The user can update the request itself. If he already have created several requests, the user can add a comment, like for example, okay, I'm still facing this issue, how I can log in, something like that. He can follow up on the ticket itself by adding a comment. The user can transition the ticket. For example, he can escalate, he can resolve the ticket, he can cancel the request if it is not reproducible anymore. He can share the link on other social media application like on WhatsApp, on Slack, on any tool for collaboration. He can disable notification, and he can share link, the same feature in the portal side where they can share link with request participants. Also, the user can upload attachment, which is the most used feature on the mobile application. For example, let's say you have a municipality and there is an issue with the electricity or with the water pipes. So you screenshot the issue and you upload the screenshot to the ticket itself, so the municipality can know the problem in the roads and the water pipeline, something like that. So attachment is the best feature in terms of mobility and mobile devices. The user can upload any photo, any video, can even record a voice and send it, and can attach a document, any type of document, PDF, Excel, Word. Also, there is a feature that we all know available on Jira Service Management, which is making an approval decision, where if the ticket is pending approval on a management, or for example, I need to take a vacation, I need to travel, I need a ticket, I need an HR document, so something like that needs approval. So approval users can enter the application and know what are the tickets that need approval and apply the approval decision, even on approve or decline. The user can view the requests and get notified. First, the user can switch between different kind of filters that are available on the web. On the portal side, we can view that in more details through the demo, the live demo. The user can switch between my requests, all requests, the requests that need approvals, and if there is organization, for example, if you add organization in your Jira Service Management, also organization will be displayed here. For example, let's say I'm from Infosys organization, so I got another item here displaying Infosys, so I can view all the tickets related to my organization as a customer related to this part. Also, the user can view the can filter through, let's say, open requests, resolved requests, created by me or created by anyone. Even the user can filter through a service desk, request types, same behavior as the web application. The best part of mobile application is receiving a push notification. So user can receive a push notification about updates happening on the ticket itself, if someone commented, if someone resolved the ticket. Now, basically, we support at the beginning 5 different kinds of notification, which is if a ticket got created and if a ticket received a comment, if a comment got updated, if the ticket is resolved, or if the ticket is reopened, that is, they remove the resolution. And in the upcoming period, we are supporting approval. When a ticket needs an approval from you, you will receive a notification that this ticket and this guy needs an approval on this part. Let's say you need a vacation. Also, we will be supporting a status update. I believe these are the 2 items that are still in terms of customer notification scheme available in Jira Service Management. So we almost support 5 notification out of 7. We still have the rest, which is approval and statuses that are that we are going to support in the upcoming period. Now, also in the application, there is two important features that are the global search and the KB knowledge articles. The user can type in the search field anything. It's same as the help center in the portal side, Jira Service Management Portal side, where in the help center, anything you type, you will receive the related request types from any service desk, or you will receive the KB knowledge articles if you link the Confluence application with the Jira Service Management tool. So in the mobile application, we also support this behavior, where if you search, you will be able to see the different request types, and in the second page, you'll also be able to see the articles related to this search. And if you click on any article, you will be able to view the data in this article. And this is so important for the self-service, the customer self-service. So through this application, the user can search anything through the KB knowledge articles. He can resolve his issue without getting back to the support team, and he can reduce the amount of requests created, wasting the time of the operation team. This is in terms of the high-level view of the features supported in JSMobile. Now, we all know that Jira Service Management or Jira application have a marketplace, and there is several third-party apps. Okay, now what are the apps that JSMobile support in the mobile platform? Let's go in and check. We already support Insight Asset Management. We all know that now Insights is part of Atlassian, Mindville, I believe. Yeah, it's part of Atlassian. So it's the add-on is supported, and even the built-in feature that is nowadays part of any cloud instance or the new data center instance, they are supported in the mobile app. We also support Element Connect. Element Connect is a tool that you can connect. Let's say you have a separate application or a separate database not related to Jira, not related to any application for Atlassian, and you need to integrate, for example, a CRM solution, an Active Directory, a service desk, Zendesk, for example, other tools. You can do that through Elements Connect. You can fetch data, navigate between fields. For example, you can get all the users from an Active Directory, from Azure Active Directory, and get the details in a read-only behavior. This field is also supported in all its different kind of integration and configuration. Third, we also support lately refined theme in the iOS version, and it's gonna be supported approximately in 2 weeks on the Android version. We supported the main feature of refined theme, which is having multiple sites. We will dig deeper in the refined theme case in a separate slide. We supported the translation for Jira Service Management, an add-on provided by Divinity, where let's suppose because this portal is accessible by clients, so clients can be from different countries, from foreign countries, different languages. So it's a must to have your portal with supporting different application. Now we know that Jira have default languages supported. Okay, but what if you are going to support a language that is not part of the default? So translation for Jira does that, and we support that in the mobile application itself too. Now there is a nice tool nowadays which is custom charts for Jira. We support this application in the KB Knowledge article. When you add a custom chart, for example, you need to display some operation for your customers, what's next in a dashboard way. So you can add a custom chart to a Confluence page, and that Confluence page got listed or fetched in the mobile application itself. Also, we are somehow having a partnership with Custom Chart, and we are going to have, let's say, a built-in dashboard in the application itself that help the user get into things in a faster way. We also supported two-factor authentication add-on and secure login to bring a better security level in case customers worry about security. And also there is a simple add-on called the CF++ that it's something similar to Elements Connect, but it's have its feature related to SQL, the different kind of databases. I'll dig deeper in the main add-ons. Okay, like for example in Insight, we can see how we are able to fetch assets. Okay, let's say you have hardware in the company and you want to fire a ticket that, okay, my iMac is not working now, please, any help? So you can select your iMac. We are able to see here the web view and how it's accessible in the mobile application itself. Also for Elements Connect, as I mentioned, you can fetch data, for example, from Microsoft Azure Active Directory. So for example, here from the web, you select the user, which is a data fetcher from Microsoft Azure, and once you select, you are able to view the data, more detail about this user in a read-only field, the next field, which is user info. In the mobile application, you'll have the same behavior. You select the user from Active Directory, and then you are able to view the details related to this user in a read-only form. Also, two-factor authentication, the same way that you are asked to enter the PIN code or the 2FA token through any authenticator application like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or any other app. There you will be able to secure your applications through two-factor authentication. That is also supported in the JSM Mobile. Now, that's mainly for the third-party application that we did support to widen the functionality of the mobile app itself. But now we can have a question like several kind of customers, they ask for customization for the mobile app itself. So how to customize JSM Mobile using Refine Theme? We know that in Refine Theme you can create multiple sites, multiple categories, portals, links. You can add different kind of navigation content. It's like a simple CMS solution, content management solution. Refine Theme, they enhance the features of the portal view of JSM, okay, and make it you can have an intranet solution. I don't know, the application, it's something that you can manage the content in different kinds. So for sites, for example, you can switch between sites, and this switch between sites is also supported in the mobile app. You can add multiple categories, and in each category you can have multiple links, multiple portal. This is also supported in the mobile app. We can view the links here. For example, if you enter the category mobile for Jira, you will have, let's say, you will have the documentation for mobile for Jira. You will have a link for to the marketplace. You will have different request type to raise a request. That is not possible in the classic way in the JSM portal without this add-on. Also, you can add links. For example, you can add links to the documentation, as I mentioned, how to log in, troubleshooting articles, or where to raise a ticket, the things that are needed by the customers. Navigation content, you can add the same as it's something like WordPress, where you can have different kind of feature. You can add different kind of content in a different ways, in a responsive way. So here, for example, we have at the top in the web view, we have categories. We have in the middle, for example, join our partner program is a direct request type, and the rest is just an info that are not clickable. These kind of navigation are also supported in the mobile application itself. This is how to customize, to go further with JSM Mobile, to bring more functionality and usability for your customer on a mobile view. Now, also this application can be branded. Okay, this is a quite good feature that we've done in the JSM Mobile. That, for example, some clients share with us that I don't need my customers or my employees to raise ticket using an application that's named JSM Mobile. I need my employees or my customer to reach me through my company name, where the application holds my company logo, and this application is available on both App Store and Play Store. So users can, for example, raise ticket to X company through X mobile app, not through a standard application called JSM Mobile. This is a very needed features that we already done several brands for multiple clients, multiple enterprise clients. For example, we have a client called B Brown who have let's say maintain large machines for pharmacy domain. They invent the large machine in the pharmacy domain, like for example the machine that do a blood test and something like that. So they need the clients that are the laboratories or the pharmacies to raise tickets about the machine that they are using in their lab. If they face any issue, to follow up with B Brown through this mobile application. This is an example, and we have several other examples. So through branding solution, the user can have a new application on both App Store and Play Store, can have an application with his company logo and name, can customize the color, as you can see in the bottom images. The user can customize the color, choose the color that meets their branding identity. Also with branding solution, the URL is pre-configured, so users are no longer needed to enter the base URL of Jira or the portal URL. It's pre-configured, and the user will only need to enter the username and password provided. And also the app will receive all the updates done on the standard one. Okay, so any feature we support on the standard one, it will be automatically available on the brand application. Let's start with the demo on the portal side itself. So here we have, let me drop an access here. And get the mobile application. Just a second for it to load, and let me go to the portal. For example, in this site, I've added the refined theme to configure the portal side. So users will not view this site in the default in the classic way on this environment. They will view it as a refined theme with different content. So let's say this is the portal that we have that customers can join and enter their tickets, ask for questions. Here we can see that there is navigation content here, there is categories, there is links. For example, if I click on mobile for Jira here, I'm navigated to another screen where I can find mobile for Jira and different links. Let's say introduction to MFJ, which is another document explaining what's mobile for Jira. Okay, this behavior is also supported in the mobile app. Let me just, I believe the now, for example, here I've clicked on the mobile for Jira category, so I'm able to view the content in the category itself. If I click on a link, let's say, it will get opened in a web view displaying the data in the KB article or in the link provided. For example, the admin might add links about their website, their social media, their different products. If the user clicks on this part, it's a portal. They will get the request types. It's same behavior is here. If the user click on the portal, they will receive the request type. If they select a request type, they will be navigated to the create screen. For example, technical support, facing some latency while applying a demo. Some description here. Okay, I need more RAMs for my iMac, something like that. It's on public site. Select. The user can add different kind of attachment. Now I'm on a simulator, so I can't mimic that totally, and can create the ticket right from there. After the user create the ticket, it will be navigated to the detail screen. You can check the details of the ticket, check the activities. For example, can add a comment, any update on that. I'm still facing the issue. I'm still facing the issue. Submit. So the user can view also the ticket, the comments, and the different kind of. For example, if I apply a resolution for that, let's say I escalate the ticket and please prioritize this. Okay, after I escalated the ticket, also this is part of the activity stream. It's the same activity stream in the portal web view. As I mentioned, the user can share link and click that I don't want any notification on this ticket anymore, can share through other social media applications. Okay, besides, as we can see here, there is a button called Switch Sites. This is the feature added by Refined Theme, where you can switch between different sites. For example, let's switch to third-party apps, and from here, let's switch to third-party apps. In this portal, I can create a ticket. In this ticket, I've added an application field. This field is an insight field where they can search for an application. Let's say I need to select the insight application. Okay, I can do that right from the mobile application also, where this is an insight field supported in the mobile app. Okay, can we support this app? in JSMobile. We use insight in our environment and you create. Okay, as you can see, the insight object can also be viewable from the detail screen, and same thing, we can apply the activity on the ticket itself. Now let's see, for example, the before we check the global search or the KB articles, we can see the tickets. For example, I can see all my tickets here. By default, it represents my ticket. I can search on the ticket here. I can switch in the filters right here. For example, I need to view tickets where I'm participant or anything like that. For example, I can choose which request type to which portal it should be related. I can filter that. And for example, if I need to check what are the tickets that are pending approval to me, I can click on the approval screen. Okay, I can see that someone needs a visa to France. Okay, for example, the manager can approve this and it's now approval, and this guy can visit France. Notifications the user can receive. Now, as I mentioned, I'm on a simulator, but on the real device, the user will receive a push notification, an alert, and he can view the notification history right from the notification screen. That's mainly, but let's check here how KB knowledge articles are viewable in a live demo. Let's take, for example, our site. Okay, for example, this is our portal. Okay, when the user do a search on the portal, for example, how to log in, the user can view the different kind of request types he can add, and he can also view the related KB articles. I can see one for JSMobile, how to log in. Let me check it. The user can view the document right from the mobile application. He can check the different steps, go through them, and resolve his issue without the need to raise a ticket for the operation team, for the support team. Okay. Let me also share with you how things will be viewable in case of unfeed. Here, for example, we have a demo instance provided by nfeed to view with different several kind of integration that is useful for the client. For example, if someone needs to integrate a CRM solution with Jira, something like that, different kind of integration. So let's go through them. Okay, for example, in nfeed here from the web view, we can have user directory, which is something connected either to LDAP or Azure Active Directory. For example, I can select this user and I'm able to view the detail of this user and create a related ticket. This is also something supported in the mobile app, where the user can select, fetch data from Active Directory, and can view the details directly from the mobile app itself. Something similar to that. For example, he can switch to another user. Okay, let me check. Okay, perfect. Microsoft Azure, for example, Active Directory, they can select the user and view the related information. Same as in the web application. Let's bring a good feature and make things applicable on the mobile application. And don't know what several kind of integration can be done. For example, elements here provided things like CRM tools like Salesforce, HubSpot. For example, if you make use of HubSpot, you can get the content from HubSpot. You can search for some deals related to the HubSpot integration with other apps. There's something, for example, like finance. Here they have something related to stock. Let's check this. We can search for Apple, for example, as a stock. I need to see for 1 year. And this is also supported in the mobile app. You can search for Apple, for example. Okay, selected for 1 year, and the stock value is viewable, and you can view the stock graph. So this is mainly the features of JSMobile and how we make it configurable, customizable, and supports what's needed to unblock users. In the upcoming period, we are looking to support dynamic forms provided by Divinity. We are looking to support also Proforma for more like forms related to JSMobile and something like that.